My name is Charity Donahoo, and I am in the Broadmoore community. Definitely walking through the finished product was the most memorable part for us, seeing everything that we had picked out, put together. It looked absolutely beautiful. Our very favorite day was the walkthrough. We chose Homes by Tabor. It was very easy for us because we had done a lot of shopping around online, but Homes by Tabor definitely offered the biggest bang for your buck. Things that would have been considered an upgrade that we would have paid more for, those were all put together in the bill price. For instance, the tornado shelter, that was included. The patio fireplace was included. Also included, my husband's favorite was the sprinkler system. Very efficient for us. So they definitely gave us the biggest bang for our buck. We had a really hard time picking our floor plan because we thought we knew what we wanted based on looking online at the Tabor website. But once we started doing walkthroughs, we realized we were leaning another way. So we picked the Sage floor plan because I felt like it was the most efficient floor plan for our family. We didn't need a dining room, but I did want a lot of laundry space. We didn't want a large foyer, but we did want an office. So we felt like it was the most utilized floor plan for our family. Our community sales manager, she was amazing. She was probably one of my favorite parts of the whole home building was getting to meet with her. If we did not know something, she would find out. She would send us to the right person or get the answer for us. She sent us pictures and videos. She always had time for us. We had a group text together with her. She was the friendliest person, and she really made the home buying process easy for us. My favorite part is our wraparound closet in the master closet. I definitely used up every inch of it. I love the master closet. We would recommend Homes by Tabor to our friends and family, and we have recommended them. My sister-in-law and her family are looking right now to build as well.